Many years ago, I featured a 2018 Nissan Titan, and I hated that pickup truck. It was the worst vehicle I ever drove. It had absolutely atrocious throttle response and massive delays from a stop. The number one comment was, buy a pedal commander. So that's what I did. This, my friends, is a 2026 Ford F-250 Super Duty, and I'm going to show you how to install, use, and enjoy the Pedal Commander throttle response controller. It's pretty straightforward. You get a box with some information in it, as well as the Pedal Commander unit itself. It's got two pigtails. One goes in to where your throttle pedal is. The other one connects to the other end of that cord that you unplug, and it shouldn't take more than really a couple minutes to unplug the existing plug and pigtail this guy in. Now, Pedal Commander recommends unlocking the truck and leaving the key fob at least 30 feet away, and then keeping the driver door open for 30 minutes to completely power down the engine control module before changing these connectors out. I didn't do that and I didn't have an issue, but if you do, it could trigger a check engine light, which you should be able to just clear if you've got an OBD2 scanner. But for me, I just plugged in the device, I connected my Bluetooth phone to it, and I was able to use the Pedal Commander pretty easily. So now we're going to take it on the road, and I'll tell you why you might want to consider one. So as I mentioned in our introduction, the first time I heard Pedal Commander would have been many years ago when we featured the Nissan Titan, but flash forward to today, we have a Pedal Commander not because this truck needs it, but because we want it. We want to have a little bit more control over the driving experience, the throttle mapping of our F-250. And again, one of the big things for me is the fact that there is no permanent change to it. You can just unplug it and connect back the old pigtail, you're good to go. So that means if you're the type of person who buys a new truck every year or two or whatever, and you don't want to have any permanent change to it, then you can just remove it and put it into your new F-250 in a couple of years. So I like that as a major plus, but there's some pretty cool features with this. Not only is there an app, so you can connect it to your phone and control whether it's in eco mode or city, which we're in right now. There's also an anti-theft mode, so you can effectively disengage the interlock system for the ignition. So if somebody were to try to break into the truck, even if they had the key for it, they wouldn't be able to actually start the truck up because you've disabled it through the app. So I think that's a nice little plus, especially in today's world where these trucks do get stolen a little bit more than they should. It is nice to have just an extra layer of protection should you need it. Now, I've been driving around here in city mode. The controller here, can't tell if you can see too much on the camera, but it's long enough that I can set it here in my dash area. Some of the ways you can do it, they do have like 3M tape that comes with Velcro, so you can stick it beside your leg area here. You can tuck it up in the truck. Doesn't really matter where you put it, because if you use the iPhone app or Android app, you use your phone to be able to use it. Doesn't really matter where it is. But if I push the button here, the Pedal Commander Star, it'll change it into Sport, Sport Plus, and oh ho ho ho. Yeah, I mean, oh, there's a difference when you put it into Sport Plus, that's for sure. Cha-ching, cha-ching, the dollar is going away in my pocket because I'm using up so much diesel doing it. But I have found, as I've been driving around with this, because what I wanted to do is do a test. I had the truck for about 5 days, kept it normal, you know, picked it up just as if I would from the dealership, and then on Saturday, I put the Pedal Commander in, and I've been using that now for almost 7 days now, which allows me to see how it was back to back. And I got to tell you that this setup from Ford is fine, right? When I get in the truck, it starts in normal mode, and it's okay, but it felt a little sluggish. Then you put your foot down, and it's not really going anywhere. So it was probably good for my wallet in terms of fuel efficiency. Yeah, I'd go take my daughter to school or whatever, you know, so it kind of feel like this. I'd make my turn, and, you know, the truck's kind of going, getting up to speed, and, you know, whatever. It felt kind of slow. And, yeah, I could put my foot down more and make more noise and get up to speed faster. But I find with the city tune on here, I drive it normally like I would maybe a half-ton truck. It just feels really good. I like it. It's really easy, in fact, to get it up to speed without any real issue. So the city mode on this Pedal Commander, I like it quite a bit, and that's how I've left it the whole time. Now, going into the eco mode, no problem whatsoever. I go into the app, I can plug that in, and it'll go into eco mode. So if I want to try to save a little bit on my fuel consumption, I probably could. But realistically, you know, I was talking about this in our full review on the truck. You know, when I picked this vehicle up, did our test loop, drove the, you know, whatever, 300-400 kilometers around town beforehand, I was averaging like about 15, I think it was 15.2 liters per 100 kilometers. And since putting the pedal commander in city mode, doing the same type of driving. I've been in town, basically wasting fuel going stoplight to stoplight, which is not what diesels are designed for. I'm now down only to 14.5 liters per 100 kilometers. So my fuel efficiency has improved despite not actually using the eco mode. And here, I'll show you how easy it is. We're in park, so nobody can complain. I open up my Pedal Commander app. It takes a second for it to pop up here. And I can control everything right here from the phone, just as I would if I was sitting in the truck. So I couldn't put it into eco. It says, it gives you a little warning that you're going to go into it, because it does really throttle that response down quite a bit. But you've got the other options here. You've got a favorites mode if you want. And if you have multiple Pedal Commanders, you can control them all from the app here. So it's super easy to be able to set everything up. You've got some easy controls for it. And really, I mean, it's, as I said, set it and forget it. I just keep it in city mode there. I don't even have to go into the app, because I know that the city mode is already tuned so well that for my daily use, that's it. It's all I really want out of it, because it just goes. It doesn't use too much power. It's not like it's in sport mode, but it really is that perfect mix of tuning to get you right where you want it. And like I said, over the last week now that I've been driving it in city mode, I've been thoroughly happy with it. I wouldn't change anything. So if you're in the market for a pedal commander, I think it's a cool way to be able to customize your throttle input. It's obviously what it does, right? It's a throttle controller to be able to effectively tell the car how much power it needs to be sending as you're putting your foot down. So relatively straightforward on how it works. The installation was really easy, and it looks good too. Like I said, there's ways to be able to hide it if you don't want people to be able to see it. And that anti-theft thing, I think, could come in handy, because F-250s, especially Platinums, they can get stolen. Take it from a bit of a dig here. This is just in city mode. I'm not even giving it full power, but oh yeah. I mean, it's up to speed. Easy. I like it. It's one of those things that so many people in the comments talked to me about it with that Nissan Titan video, because that truck was just utter garbage. This is a really good truck, but it's just enhanced a little bit more by adding this pedal commander on top of it. So as I mentioned, if you're interested, check out our link in the description. Use the coupon code PRNTestDrive10 to save 10% off your order, and I think you'll be pretty happy. I got mine in like 5 days, not even. It was really quick. I believe they all ship from the US, so even if you're up here in Canada, you don't have to worry too much. It came pretty quickly for me, and I've been happy with it. We've got 2 more trucks that we're supposed to be driving, an F-350 with the gas engine, and then an F-450 with the dual rear wheel. I just don't know if it's the high output. I hope not, so that I have 3 different engines to be able to test this on. So we're hoping to be able to test the pedal commander on those 2. So stay tuned for those if you're interested in those trucks. You can see how the pedal commander works on those. But yeah, we appreciate you watching as always. If you're interested in subscribing to the channel, we'd love to have you on board. And we want to thank Pedal Commander for providing us with our unit here and the ability to be able to talk about it, and for you to get a bit of a discount on it. So thanks so much to them. Until next time, thanks for watching, and take care.